This video was created to help students answer the question, how did the events of Eleanor Roosevelt's life reflect her values? This question can be answered after reading the article that was distributed in class about Eleanor Roosevelt's life. First, when looking at this question, I need to know what the word values means. So I did a little search on the word values and found this definition. Values are a person's principles or standards of behavior, one's judgment of what is important in life. So I know that values have to do with something about what is important to them in their life. I'm going to hang on to that definition to help me answer this question. The next thing I'm going to do is make a timeline that analyzes the events of Eleanor Roosevelt's life. Students did this in class during our stationary stations. Once you analyze all of the different events, it's important to not only identify the event itself, but figure out what that might have to do with Eleanor Roosevelt's values. So I see we put down her involved with the Women's Trade Union League and about how she fought for children to go to school. I see lots of different events here. So after my timeline is complete, I'm going to pick out some of the events that I think are related to her values or do reflect her values. So I've made some notes here in red, like here where she helped make sandwiches for soldiers. Then I might say that she supported American soldiers. Or when she got involved with the Women's Trade Union League, well, that probably has something to do with women's rights. Or here where it says that she fought to get children to go to school, that might show me that she really values education. So basically I've looked at all of these different events on the timeline and tied them to something that she would value. The next thing I did was I wrote about how the events of her life reflected her values by having two different sticky notes. On the left side, I have the events with text evidence, and then on the right, I wrote down what the value would be for that example from the text. So this first quote, after becoming interested in the problems of working women, she gave time to the Women's Trade Union League, and to me, it meant that she valued women's rights. Then on the left, they showed him the need for new laws to get children out of the factories and into schools. And that was when she was showing her husband, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, about the need for getting kids into schools. Well, that tells me she must really value education. And then the third quote, when she entered a hall where, as often happened in those days, blacks and whites were seated in separate sections, she made it a point to sit with the blacks. And that told me that she must value racial equality. So finally, I'm able to answer the question in a paragraph. So the question was, how did the events of Eleanor Roosevelt's life reflect her values? So here's my response. The events of Eleanor Roosevelt's life reflected her personal values about what was important to her. Although she had a difficult childhood, her accomplishments throughout her adulthood showed what was important to her. Just after her husband became president, Eleanor became involved with women's rights. The text states, after becoming interested in the problems of working women, she gave time to the Women's Trade Union League. Her involvement showed that she believed that working women deserved to be treated with respect. Later, along with others who shared her values, Eleanor would speak to her husband about the need for new laws to get children out of the factories and into schools. This shows that Eleanor not only cared about the rights for children, but the importance of education. Years later, Eleanor also took a stand about racial equality. When she entered the hall, as often happened in those days, blacks and whites were seated in separate sections. She made it a point to sit with the blacks. This exemplified Eleanor's core value of ensuring that all people were given basic human rights and being treated equally and respectfully. So this is the breakdown about how I answered the question, how did the events of Eleanor Roosevelt's life reflect her values? To review, I made a timeline. I analyzed the events and connected those to her values, what was important to her. Then I took evidence from the text and tied that evidence to one of her values. And then I wrote my paragraph. Hopefully you found this helpful and we'll be able to do the same exact thing the next time you're asked to analyze the text of an article that you read.